All right. Good evening. It is May 14th, 2021. It is Friday and it is Vlog 94. And yeah, what a day. No, what a day. It's just, I think I was a little out of it today and I did not do anything really. Oh, I did. But let's look at yesterday. Woke up at 8 to get ready for an appointment. Oh yeah, I had an appointment yesterday with Kyle, and he bought a handpan. That was cool. Actually, I talked about it a little bit, but I can't. Why can't I hear myself? Now I can hear myself. But yeah, that was a good time. Got to share with them about the handpan and stuff, and it was pretty awesome. And it is, what is it, Carrie?
It's meme day.
It's meme day, and you can hear her in the background. This is really dark right here.
Oh,
Kinda
God.
crazy. But anyways, actually, maybe I can brighten it up. Nope. Let's see. Nope. Oh, there we go.
God.
Oh, that was way too bright. I can adjust the screen on this. No. A little bit more green. Oh yeah. Is it better? Orange.
What's happening over there?
I'm trying to adjust the screen.
Are you vlogging? What's going on?
I'm vlogging. Alright, anyways. I was changing the screen. But anyways, let's see. Actually, I wrote this down. Which way do you sleep in bed? Actually, according to Carrie, I sleep on all sides.
You do.
But yeah, I had a good appointment. Sold the handpan. This guy Kyle was super cool. We had a good time, good experience. He actually said at the end, he was like, "Oh man, this is it. It was a great experience. His buying experience was great." I was like, "Cool." But yeah, that's the handpan for you. It's awesome. Then I came home and Carrie was angry about the internet being out because she couldn't do any work, and yeah, that was kind of crazy. And her phone wasn't working because she was in between transferring, and we finally the internet came on. Then we got Carrie's phone transferred over, so now she has a new phone. She's happy. It's awesome. She got the new iPhone 12. She's excited about it. And then she also got her iPods, which is cool. I was like, she got iPad Pod Pros for her birthday. I just got those for her. And they're nice. They're really nice. And then yesterday, the CDC said that it's okay for vaccinated people not to wear a mask anywhere. It's kind of crazy. But we shall see. I went to the store the other day, or today. We're still wearing masks in the store, but shall see when California says what's up. But I am fully vaccinated now. Awesome. But this Friday was like, yeah, I was just out of it. I think I'm ready to go on vacation. Me and Carrie are going on vacation on Sunday. Going to Idlewild. Gonna hang out. Let me do a late night tuning. Ooh. Nice. I felt good. It's funny that yesterday's vlog was about bossy cats because the cat was going crazy, and it was all day today. I was working on the computer, but Kiton, the other one, the gray one, he was sitting on my desk and was like going nuts on me, wanted me to pet him, and he just slept on my desk all day. It was kind of funny. I think I took a picture. I can't remember, but it was hilarious. I was laughing at him. I was like, "Oh my god, you're crazy right now." But yeah, it's been kitty day, and yeah, I woke up this morning and because Figgy was climbing on the curtains, I don't know, everybody that has cats, probably that's happened to. What? I still look weird. Let's see. A little bit more orange. Oh, that looks better. It was like I had no red. But anyways, I'm about to get off anyways. But yeah, I think I'm having pre-vacation, don't want to do anything. And yeah, that's what it is. That's why it took me so long. It's like 8:24 to do a vlog today, but it's been a good week. Honestly, it has been a good week. A lot of good things happen, and we're going on vacation, so I'm excited. Carrie's birthday is, what is it, in 4 days? The 18th?
4 days, bitches!
4 days. She's going to be 50. And she's still ornery as ever. It's pretty awesome.
I have to give that part of me up.
I don't know. I didn't.
Isn't there some other part of me that I should be giving up? Like, I don't know. Some other part.
No, because you were being ornery right now. Oh my gosh. But anyways, yeah, that happened. Let's see if there's any other birthdays today. Oh. I like this face thing. It's pretty cool. Let's see, birthdays. Actually, today's weather, I won't show it because it's already nighttime, but it was alright. It was in the 60s.
It was nice and warm in Lakewood.
Nice and warm in Lakewood. That was awesome. And
Carrie
Carrie got acai bowls today. It was pretty awesome. And we kind of had like acai bowls for dinner. I keep saying that like I can do acai bowls for dinner. So, let's see. What was I looking for? Birthdays. Da, 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 yeah. Tim Smith. Actually, I have a friend, again, Facebook, another middle school friend. I had some cool friends in middle school, and this was one of my buddies that I used to hang out with. Tim Smith. Awesome. Mark Anthony, skater buddy, and Mike Piwar. Wow. Both skater guys. Awesome. Mike Piwar, he's killing it right now. He's like pro or something right now for, I don't even know who, but he kills it. I've been watching him skateboarding on Instagram, and it's pretty awesome. So happy birthday, brothers. It is Friday. Enjoy your day. But actually, that's it for me today. I'm just kind of tired and can't wait to go on vacation. I just have tomorrow. I have a live show. I have Ook Social that I'm going to be talking with Crystal tomorrow. And yeah, it's going to be fun. And then Sunday, I guess we're going to be packing up to go. Saturday, I don't know. We'll see. We'll take it easy. It's only like a couple hour drive up there, but should be fun. We need to go to the bookstore, right? Bookstore, Carrie? Oh, she's not even listening. But anyways, it is May 14th. It is Friday. I'm excited not to be doing anything probably for a week, and it's going to be fun. And hopefully everybody enjoys their weekend. I'll have my live show tomorrow. And yeah, that's all I have for us today. And like always, keep on strumming ukulele.